Right, and we're just waiting. We're on the ferry. Oops, there is late cars coming. They come racing in here. They think they've missed the 12 o'clock ferry. This will be the third late car. That's it. All closed. No more. Right, that was the last car. Oh, she looks grumpy on that too. Ooh. And there's Craig. Craig is waving to the camera. Hello, Craig. So this is the ones that are there now, and we are watching the front of the boat go up. Oh, noisy. Remember, somewhere in Europe, they forgot to close the doors and it sunk. Uh-oh, I think we're locked in. That's it. We're locked in. So this is time for us to go, and there's our bikes sitting there all by themselves. So we hope it's a nice calm crossing, and we'll go upstairs and have a look what it's like upstairs. Only a very light boat because, as you can see, there's no deck on top that will lower, so very versatile vessel. We're underway and we'll go up and have a look at the passenger lounge. So this is us leaving the terminal. All the people sitting in there having their lunch or whatever they're doing. Peninsula ferry there, one of the other ferries that crosses Port Phillip Bay. That's just where we left from. And isn't this a gorgeous day? And where are we going? Straight over there. So let's zoom in and have a look at where we're going. Sorrento. That was all a fort down through there. Portsea Military College used to be there, and that was all a fort. And then you went out to sea at the bottom of Victoria. It's a nice old jetty, some interesting remains, and that's Queenscliff. This is inside the terminal, inside the ferry forget the terminal. Children's play area, refreshments on board. Deck out here to look at the front or back. That is where we have just left from over there. A few fishermen out in the water. But isn't it a lovely calm day? This is when you go to the Isle of Man or up to Scotland. Whether you're leaving from Liverpool or Heysham, this is what you'll hope the weather will be like when you cross the North Sea. So it makes good progress, quick progress. There's an upper deck up there as well, and couple of marine Volvos or GMs or Cats powering this. Maybe they'll tell us, maybe they won't. So sit back and relax and enjoy the trip. Now here's a special offer. If you're a senior and you're going between Sorrento and Queenscliff, half price ferry travel, and you get $10 jams, cream and scones, tea or coffee on board every Wednesday in May, June, July and August, so it's around about now. So if you're a senior halfway across, or every Friday you can have happy hour, or you can take a friend for free during the BFF promotion. Right, here's a bit of information for you. We're on the HV Sorrento. It's sister ship HV Queenscliff. When we're going from Queenscliff to Sorrento, it's going from Sorrento to Queenscliff. So the one we're on was launched in 2001 and it's powered by Cummins. It's got two Cummins, 1300 horsepower Cummins at 1800 revs, plus auxiliary thrusters and auxiliary engines for the bow thruster. So it's all Cummins powered, and the best part is it was a combination of local people and government that got together and went ahead and did it. So that's Sea Road Ferries. We're on the MV motor vessel Sorrento. So there's on-board dining, there's sandwiches, wraps, dessert, lollies, ice creams, drinks, chips, and of course souvenirs that we saw over at the other one. You can have hot pies, pasties, sausage rolls, all sorts of things here. So plenty to pick from. And if you want to find out more, there's even podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Spotify or Google Podcasts. Just look for Sea Road Ferries. .com.au/podcasts, and you can find out even more. There's even massage chairs on here too, 8 minutes for $5. And like I said, you can go out to sea from here. There's a ship headed out to sea through Port Phillip Bay. We're getting closer to Sorrento now. Okay, let's speed the journey up a little bit. We've got a vessel going to cross our bow here. So let's get up close and have a look at it. MSC line. And we're headed over there to Portsea. Sorrento to be official. Portsea is more this area up here on the right hand side. Right, and as the other vessel passes there on our starboard side, it says very lightly loaded. See how high up the control area is, so it's very lightly loaded. And we're speeding up a little bit more now to come into Sorrento.